Here is how to promote Fansly on Reddit. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can promote Fansly on Reddit. So let's start. First of all, while talking about promoting your Fansly on Reddit, the basic information that you need to keep in mind is that you can't directly promote any third-party sites or applications on the Reddit platform. So you will have to use some of the twisted methods such as using your referral code, using your links and other things. So for that, simply go to Reddit and log into your account. Now after you have opened Reddit, the first thing that you need to do is copy and paste the link of your Fansly profile on your Reddit profile. After that, make sure you also provide your Fansly referral code. Through this, you can earn commissions if any other people join the platform. After that, ensure all of your links are working and they are correct. Many times, people enter a wrong link in their profile, which can hamper your growth. Now after you have provided a pathway to your Fansly profile, the next step is to start gaining followers or some audience interactions in your post. So upload as many posts on Reddit as you can on the respective Reddit communities in order to promote yourself. Make sure they are interactive and reach a wide group of people. As you continue doing these promotional steps, more people will watch your Reddit post and then eventually come to look for your profile. As they look for your profile, they will find a link to your Fansly profile along with the referral code. So when they tap on that link and come to your profile, you will gain noticeable growth on your Fansly account. So by doing these steps, you can promote your Fansly account or Fansly page on Reddit. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.